Okay, Alexa, see if you can get out. Try.
The storable Alexis tries to come out of her
You
chamber.
see, we locked her in that door over there. Oh, oh, how do you do that?
It's a cold magic.
You're gay.
The storable Alexis does it again.
Now get back in there.
Now get back in there. Let's you get back in.
Should we get fast forward on this paper?
Michelle just said it. We should leave her.
It's okay, Michelle. Okay, bye, Alexis. Oh.
Shut it.
Close the door.
Now let's leave her.
Lock it.
You can't lock it.